Over the last 2 weeks, we catched up with the things we had pending. So we installed the wallpaper, we fabricated and installed the cabinets, we primed them, and we actually started to paint them with the first coat. Here is the bar side, here's the laundry side. The laundry side cabinets are a little bit higher than the bar side, so we're gonna have to raise those outlets so that they're not in the way. On the kitchen area, we also installed the cabinets here. We have all the shelves and doors here with the first coat, all the drawers. Next week, we're gonna do the second coat and hopefully have the countertop installed. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for next video.